Hello class, welcome back. So after the conversation class in which we actually heard a very nice pretty story and I hope you have enjoyed it also. So it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. Yes, a class which is something similar going on in our maths also. And in the maths, in your previous class, that means on Wednesday, I have taught you about a shape. A shape which is having four sides, isn't it? A shape having four different sides and all those four sides are equal. I told you, मैम ने आपको ये दो चीजें बताई थी, उसकी four sides होंगी और four के four sides equal होंगी. Then what shape that will be? Hurry up fast, tell me. That will be a square shape. Yes, you remember that? We did it in maths. And we have done many examples of it. Like we have window, we have handkerchief. Handkerchief क्या होता है? Hanky, one which we use to wipe our face, to clean our hands, isn't it? So hanky is also an example of square shape. Then we have gifts. Isn't it great? Then we have photographs or you can say sceneries जो हम अपने घर पे decorate करते हैं. Some of them are square in shape. Then what else? Carrom board. Yes, we all love playing carrom boards. मैम ने आपको बताया था there is a board having four wells. Wells यानी कुएं जिनमें coin गिरता है. Then we have a striker. Circle shape का होता है वो. You are all aware of circle also. So circle shape के coins और strikers होते हैं and we play with them. Then we have chess board. So ये भी एक indoor game है where we have white and black squares. इस तरह से pattern में बना होता है board के ऊपर and we play a game on it. So it is called chess. Something else also I have discussed with you. Can you tell me what is that? I have that with me today. What is it? It's a block, playing blocks. आप स्कूल में इनसे play करते हैं. So it's a playing block and this block is having square shape. अगर आप इसको one side से देखोगे, you will see four sides हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides हैं इसकी and all these are equal. और ऐसा ही कुछ होता है which we use to play Ludo. Ludo हो गया, snakes and ladder हो गया. हम उसको ऐसे स्क्रॉल करके भी थ्रो एंड द नंबर कम्स आउट. व्हाट्स दैट? अ डाइस. यस, डाइस भी ऐसा ही होता है. अलग अलग साइड्स पे नंबर्स लिख सकते हैं हम. उस पे नंबर्स के डॉट्स बने होते हैं. 1 डॉट, 2 डॉट, 4 डॉट्स, 6 डॉट्स, 5 डॉट्स, 3 डॉट्स. इस तरह से नंबर्स होते हैं उस पे 1 से लेके 6 तक. सो अगेन दैट डाइस इज स्क्वायर इन शेप. Then can you see I have a box here? I have a box. This box is also square in shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. इसकी 4 sides हैं. If I show you, I'll open. Now see, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all these 4 sides are equal. So again, what is the shape of this box? It's a square box. Yes. So what I want to repeat or revise today is any closed object. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जिसकी 4 sides आपस में टच कर रही हैं एक दूसरे को. See, इनका आपस में टच करना, जुड़ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत जरूरी है. If they are joined with each other, अगर वो एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ टच कर रही हैं, then it is a square. और वो equal भी होनी चाहिए. See now, there are 4 sides as I told you earlier also. और ये 4 sides एक दूसरे को corners पे join कर रही हैं, touch कर रही हैं. That means all these 4 sides are equal and they are joining with each other. So this particular shape is called a square. Clear? और बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. लाइक वी हैव क्लॉक. वॉल क्लॉक भी होती है स्क्वायर शेप्स की. वी हैव रिस्ट वॉच. मेनी ऑफ द टाइम पीपल दे वेयर द रिस्ट वॉच जो हम अपने हाथ में घड़ी पहनते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो स्क्वायर इन शेप. I have shown you a block here. तो blocks हमारे alphabetical blocks होते हैं, numerical होते हैं जिन पे numbers होते हैं, alphabets होते हैं, building blocks होते हैं जिनको हम जोड़ के कुछ create कर सकते हैं. They are square in shape. Then we have dice, जिससे with the help of which we play Ludo and snakes and ladder. That is square in shape. Then we have the most important thing, maths notebook. So you all know how to write counting. तो counting किस notebook में लिख रहे हैं? Which notebook you are writing your counting? You are writing that in square notebook. Yes. See, जब मैम यहाँ पे आपको counting work देती है, मैम always make a page like this ना, like this. और उसमें हम लिखते हैं tens, ones, cross और फिर हम अपनी काउंटिंग कंटिन्यू करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अगेन इज अ स्क्वायर शेप. ठीक है, ये क्या है? स्क्वायर शेप का बॉक्स है. सो अगेन द मैथ्स नोटबुक इज आल्सो स्क्वायर इन शेप. इज दैट क्लियर? सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल. इवन द कैरम बोर्ड दैट यू प्ले, जो कैरम बोर्ड खेलते हैं, दैट इज स्क्वायर इन शेप. आई हैव गिवन यू एन एग्जांपल. देन वी हैव लूडो. अब लूडो देखा है आपने कभी? यू मस्ट हैव सीन द लूडो. लूडो कैसा होता है? लूडो में जो स्क्वायर्स होते हैं वो भी स्क्वायर शेप होती है. सो अगेन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट लूडो. लूडो इज अगेन स्क्वायर इन शेप. आई विल शो यू द लूडो. देयर इज अ लूडो drawn in your book. Then as I have shown you, there are different size or types of boxes. Even many of you might be having your lunch box square in shape. Then whichever containers mama is using at home, they can be again square in shape. Is that clear to all of you? Now a part of these things, we have wall clock square in shape, isn't it? तो अब हमें क्या करना है? Let's move towards the book work and see what we have to do in EVS book. See class, square shape last time भी हमने study किया था in maths. We have same examples, but there is a different activity that we have to do in our book today. So for that, what you have to do? Open your book on page number 40 and 41. So please open your book on page number 40 and 41. EVS class, because we are doing EVS subject. So you have to open your EVS book. Don't get confused, okay? And let's see how we are going to do our today's work in the book. With that, please keep your pencil colors with you. We have a coloring activity to do, okay? So class, now open your environmental studies book and you have to open this book on page number, tell me fast, 40. Yes. So when you will open this book on page number 40, you will find the topic square. Yes. So this is what we have learnt and we have already learnt in maths. Maths में किया था हमने and we did something similar, same कुछ activity भी की थी. So again we have to do it. Join the broken lines to complete squares. Now see, different objects that are square in shape is given to you. Like we have window, we have a clock, we have a photograph, gift box, and see, this is Ludo. As I told you, I will show you. So this is the Ludo you all love to play. आप देख रहे हो ये सब क्या है? All these are square box. And when we take our chance, जब हम डाइस को थ्रो करते हैं तो जो भी नंबर आता है we move ahead ना, उतना ही काउंट करके we move ahead. So this is also all about number game, isn't it? It is a type of number game. So now let's start with the work. So first thing we are going to do is write date. That is 18 December 2020. Mention classwork here and let's begin with the work. So we have to join the broken lines and we have to complete these squares. So let's begin from here. Move slowly and slowly and try to draw a single straight line. Like this. One side is done. Then we are moving ahead. This is number 2. We have completed 1 and 2 sides. Now we'll go ahead. And here we have done 3. And last side will be this. That means 4 sides. They are joined with each other. In corners पे सारी sides ने एक दूसरे को touch किया है. So they are joined. They are 4 in number. They are equal. So it is a square shape. Now comes a clock. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides done. Now see this one. It's a photograph. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again we have joined all the 4 sides. Now moving to the next, we have a gift box. So we are going to join all these lines once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have joined these 4 lines also. Now next one. Let's see. This is a carom board and we are going, no sorry, it's a Ludo, not a carom board class. Ludo, and we are going to join all the 4 sides of this Ludo also. Slowly and slowly you will do it. So this is number 3 we have done, and this will be the last side, the 4th one. Now you have seen that we have joined all these lines of all the sub objects, that is window, clock, then a photograph, then we have done it for gift box, we have also done for Ludo. So class, we have seen that all of them are having 4 sides. सबकी 4 sides हैं, and all these 4 sides are equal to each other and they are touching each other. Clear? Okay. Now moving to the next page, that is page number 41. So again we are going to write today's date, 18 December 2020, and mention classwork here. So what is to be done? Paste stickers of square of the same color. Now we have different colors squares, that is red, yellow, blue, green and black, and you have been given one box here for each color. So what you will do, you have to paste the stickers here. But from where we'll get the stickers? We are going to get them from here. Can you see? यहाँ पे जो last में space में देखिए, last page जो है, from here we are going to take all these stickers and we will paste them one by one. So let's start taking them out. So first we'll take green color. We'll go back to this page. अब देखिए green color कहाँ है? Red, yellow, blue, green. So green के नीचे we are going to paste a green sticker like this. Understood? Now again we will go back side and we are going to peel off all the colors from there. See, one by one we will do. Here it is. Now we have blue color, and with that I'll also take red color. Oh sorry, yellow color. So now what we have to do? Now you have to first search for blue color. So we have red, yellow, blue. So here the blue one is. तो blue के नीचे ही we are going to paste our blue sticker like this. Clear? Now this is yellow we have. So search for the yellow one. Here it is. तो उसी के नीचे हम ये yellow sticker लगा देंगे like this. Now we are left with red and black. So it's time to take out those ones also. So here we have black and red stickers. So we'll peel off both of them one by one. Okay. So one I have taken red, and now I'll take this black one also. Now after peeling it, again come this way. So first I have black in my hand. Can you tell me where I have to put it? Here, जहाँ पे black color का sticker है. Now we are left with red and we have only one box. So I'm going to paste red color here. Understood? So this is how you are going to paste all the stickers together. Is that clear to everyone? Now we have to do coloring. Color all the small squares blue. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? First we have to search for small squares. छोटे वाले. So compare them all and see which is the small. We will first tick 1, 2, 3, 4. तो ये जो 4 squares हैं ये कैसे हैं? They are small. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये 4 squares कैसे हैं? Small हैं. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? We are going to color them using blue. See, blue is given here. So blue color लेना है अब. And we will color these boxes. Let's start doing that now. So like this, use your blue pencil color and start doing the color here. Small squares को ही करना है. You have to keep that thing in your mind. तो जैसे मैम ने किया है, first I have put a tick mark on all the blue squares. You can also do it in the same way. Clear? उसको ऐसे ही टिक लगा लेंगे तो you will not forget. आपसे mistake नहीं होगी and we can do our work perfectly. So like this, put a tick mark on all the small squares and start coloring them like this. So one is done. Now we have 3 more to do. Clear? Let's do them. So like this, you have to do it neatly. और थोड़ा सा प्रेस करना है कलर को so that we can have a bright color. डार्क थोड़ा सा ब्राइट आ जाएगा कलर हमारा. And cover the whole box. Understood? This is how you will do the coloring work. So done. Now we are done with the work. So this is the way you are going to complete your today's work of squares in your book, page number 40 and page number 41. Is that clear to everyone?